So I'll tell you what a way to finally turn these around here in Orange County. Very stout. If you lose, you blame it on Bob. No, we bought a white ticket. Don't put that back in. All right, so we're gonna come over here real quick. Jack, what can I say, man? My heart dropped for you. You know the kind of caliber that Bob is out there, man. So close. You've been so dominant here the past couple of seasons. You just came up just a little bit short. What was going through your mind those last couple of laps?
Yeah, this one's gonna hurt a whole lot. Basically, I just missed the bottom, and I even like the scream of
Championship here, Eastern States Weekend for 2024. Big money.
In the early year, we gave it our best shot, and it was a good year, very good year.
Bob, I'm sure there's a lot of people you got to thank, man. These things aren't easy.
I got to thank my crew chief, Dave Werber, man. If it wasn't for him, forget it. I couldn't get it all done. My wife for putting up with me, always working on this thing. And my family, my sponsors, Putnam Propane, Putnam Energy, Limestone Service.
Accord and Bethel, the 3 local tracks. Now you top it off with an Eastern States win. Man, that's got to still feel pretty darn good.
Oh, it's been a great year.
Putnam Orange car number 8, multi-feature winner here at the Speedway. Steering wheel comes off, big smile on Big Buddy Bob's face. Long-time campaigner here with his family. His dad was a big-time full-fender racer here at the Speedway. Soak it in, Bob. Helmet comes off. So we're still waiting for